Do it, yes, I wanna do it. The world's got too many pussies. I'm not talking about women's genitalia. The world's got too many pussies. That's why the world needs cryptocurrency theory. The world's got too many pussies. And I'm not talking about women's genitalia. Oh, I got too many pussies. That's why the world needs cryptocurrency theory.
Guys, sometimes I wonder why you watch this show. I really wonder about some of the audience out there. Because when I don't take my medication, things get a bit weird. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the chat. Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory, where we just ate, so obviously a big round of energy coming on the show. I usually come on here depleted, guys. That's what I mean. But not today. Today we had breakfast before we came on. It's quite rare. What are you waiting on, guys? What are you waiting on? You waiting on me to start the show up? Guys and girls around the world to say cryptocurrency. The world's got too many man pussies. The world's got too many man pussies. But not on cryptocurrency theory, yeah. We are on the channel. We got 3 people in the chat. And they are pussies, unless we got women's genitalia, oh, the world's got too many pussies, but not here on cryptocurrency, world's got too many pussies. Alright guys, let's go back to the chat. I love how I can get away with that for the first couple minutes until people come in, but you got the notification? Badass. So definitely thinking now, Mr. Fool, it was the connection on my end. So what I've been doing, guys, I've been running the upload speed test before I come online, because what was happening is I was getting online. Long story short, I guess you guys weren't getting the notifications, but appreciate you following up on that, Mr. Fool, because you know, I know you were talking about it. Alan was getting the notifications kind of here or there, so I'm pretty confident now because I haven't changed anything on my end. Yeah, it's a hit song right there, Travis. It's called The Cryptocurrency World's Got Too Many Man Pussies, but not on cryptocurrency theory. Oh, the man's got too many. Holy shit, I got a fucking pussy. What the fuck? No, I don't have a pussy, guys. Jeez, Jesus Christ. That'd be a way to get your attention. Do a live stream and talk about removing my genitalia. It's a weird world we live in, guys. A weird world. So, guys, check it out on this world, on Crypto World today. So prices, guys, kind of flat, right? Let's change the subject, guys. Let's talk about not my pussy on the stinking channel, I just can't help myself. Oh, you don't even know what I'm saying. But I got a pussy, I got a man pussy. I just cut off my genitalia. The world's got too many man pussies. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just didn't finish writing the song. That was the problem, Travis. I had a good chorus to it. The world's got too many man pussies, but not on cryptocurrency theory. We got no man pussy right here. At least nobody's left the chat. But, again, guys, sometimes I wonder about you guys coming down to this channel. I really wonder about you guys because, you know, the audience is loving the hit singles. I'm thinking about writing another song here soon, guys, becoming a singer. You guys checked out our playlist tribute to Dash, Bitcoin Cash. And honestly, I want to rewrite some of those songs. I might take some of those videos down because I do want to write some you know, the audio is kind of messed up. So we're always kind of tweaking the audio and making it better here on the channel, guys. So enough with the small talk, guys. Let's look at prices. Let's look at something other than I can't help it. Oh, I can't help it when people come down to my channel. I can't help it. Well, at least it's only a couple people seeing me do this. So like I said, guys, we didn't take our what is it? Our tranquilizers today. We didn't take our cerebrum modella pills today. Guys. You're on cryptocurrency theory, guys. Be forewarned. Be forewarned. You have been warned. That's kind of what we're talking about, guys. Prices once again going down the wormhole. Speaking of wormhole, guys, wormhole token. Never heard of it, but a $1 billion market cap sure does come out of nowhere pretty quick. So, holy shit, where did this coin come from? All these exchanges on this thing. Guys, I feel like I wanted to bring something up on Coin Market Cap. We were talking about it a couple weeks ago. All right, if you guys were checking out the live stream, remember to check out the live stream on a regular basis, because we were asking the community what happened to the wallet addresses. Can we find them on this channel? Can somebody other than me? They have so many options on Coin Market Cap now, guys. Binance has just really taken this thing really to the next level on terms of like what data we have comparatively to what we did have. But did anybody ever find the wallet addresses that we can actually look at some of these coins and look at some of the wallet distribution addresses? I couldn't find it. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, we were looking at this for quite a while on this website, and they kind of just vanished. They kind of just, it's not on here anymore. So I wonder why. And this was kind of around like, unless somebody points it out and we just say, oh, okay, well, there it is. But I really can't find it here, guys. And what was weird is it got taken off down around the time that this CZ stuff started picking up, and again, don't read too much into it. We might find it somewhere on here at some point, or maybe somebody in the chat can find it. But, it was a really good tool. I really wish they would put that tool back on here if they did take it off, or maybe I can just hopefully find it one of these days. But I just don't see it. It's like I'm looking for something in the cupboard, and I don't want to ask anybody. The anxiety's building. I can't find the pasta sauce, and I'm standing in my own, my own place looking for the pasta sauce, guys, and I can't find it. But if you guys find it, let me know. That's all I'm saying. Let me know if you guys find the wallet distribution list that they had for every single coin on here. Yeah, so we're looking for it, guys, but we don't want to spend all day looking for it. I was just wondering if you guys noticed it was gone. That's all. So, Travis, Mr. Fool, what's good? Thanks for letting me get the notifications, guys. I'm glad you guys are getting those again. Just kind of goofing around today, guys. Honestly, not like a lot on the docket, just simply because the prices are kind of mediocre. We saw a few coins go up. We saw like Hedera, Algorand go up about, Hedera went up about 100%. But then went down like 25%. So, we don't really talk about some of these coins on the channel, but like Bonk, it's been up. To be fair, guys, 100% up for the week. Say some of these newer community coins. I don't know if you guys are holding these or not. Pepe, up 50%. But it's kind of funny because I feel like if we were this time last year when Pepe went up, I think like 50 or 100% when everybody was freaking out. It kind of started this whole meme thing. I guess it's been about a year. It was a lot more exhilarating. It was a lot more exhilarating. You know what I mean? And if you guys don't remember this, Pepe, the jump here was the main jump. And what's crazy is like, look at what happened later on. Almost a year later, about 8-9 months later, then it just fucking defies all reality. And it's pretty crazy, guys. Pretty crazy. So I think we'll see a runoff into this, not particularly this coin. I think we'll see some of this analytical data kind of revert back to, I'm going to throw it out there, Bitcoin Cash and a couple other coins. So we'll see how that goes. Carleek, what's good? So, I think we'll see, the timing of these things are always very interesting to me, guys. That's what we look at on the channel most of the time. And the timing of how this stuff kind of cycles back around to some of these other coins, like, I don't know if you guys have been seeing Tron. I know everybody gets annoyed. I noticed, guys, when I talk about Tron, we stopped talking about it just simply because a year ago when I tried to bring it up, it was kind of like Neo. And the fact that I didn't hold it, there was no real point for me to bring it up ongoingly because I don't hold any Tron. But we might start diving into some of these other coins here on the channel, guys, as we move into the future, because I feel like we're kicking a dead horse, right? Or whatever the phrase is, we're kicking a dead horse. because a lot of the stuff we are talking about is just the same stuff. And I know you guys love it, but I would like to add, some different stuff. This Cosmos coin, a lot of people were kind of talking about it when I brought it up. Stellar Lumens picking up. I saw who was talking about a coin yesterday in the chat. Are they in the chat right now? You guys were talking about I don't know if it was called Lara. What was it called? It was called it was some coin that was made by Bitcoin Unlimited. Do you guys remember the coin you guys were talking about? And I'm gonna try to find it, but you guys was a person in the channel that was here yesterday talking about that token or that coin that was created by the Bitcoin Unlimited dev team. Just drop it in the chat if you do, because I feel like I saw it up yesterday. Akash, what is it? What was it called? I'm gonna find it now, guys. I'm on a mission at this point. Because we were looking at these coins yesterday, and I saw a coin up, and I thought of whoever that person was in the channel, and I couldn't remember who it was or what the coin was, but the graphic really stuck with me. So I'm going to look for this coin, guys. Not because I want you guys to go out and buy it or anything like that. I just want to see what that coin was, and I'm not going to be satisfied until I do. So go to World Coin Index real quick here. So guys, drop it in the channel, guys, if you like the channel. We love you being on here. Just looking for a quick coin here. Velo. Was this the coin that the person was talking about in the channel yesterday? That was the Bitcoin Unlimited Velo. I'm going to see if this was it. Just curious about it, guys. Just curious about it. I don't think this was it. Yeah, this is using the Stellar consensus, so maybe Stellar Lumens will go up soon, is what I'm saying. But I do know somebody brought up a coin yesterday. I wish they were in the chat, but was it Nexa? Was that it? What's good, Pong? What's good, Card Leak and Dat Win? We'll look at Vertcoin. We haven't looked at Vertcoin in a while. What are you guys saying? Nexa? Was that what it was called, Travis? Bitcoin Unlimited. I don't think that was it, Travis. Actually, surprisingly, I thought that might be it. Anyways, guys, I can't remember what it was, okay? And I saw a token up yesterday. I thought it was this Velo token, but I guess it's not, because this is a Stellar Lumens token. And just a reminder, guys, speaking of Stellar Lumens, Valentino, if you're watching the chat, we need to get up, my dude. We need to have a smoke session at some point and bounce these ideas of what we're going to do with our millions of US worthless dollars. But yeah, this coin token's not doing very well, actually, on Stellar Lumens, but I'm still bullish on Stellar Lumens, I guess. $1.5. Wow. That's up. This might be 150x coin. Who knows? I don't own any of this coin, guys. Again, I'm not telling you guys to buy it, so calm down, calm down. Looks like they're giving away $1,000 on Qcoin, though. Guys, drop it in the channel if you like the channel. We'll check out a few coins here. I don't really have anything on the docket other than looking at some of the stuff you guys saw on the news. I guess it was one of these mixing. I don't know what they're called. Mixers, I think they're called. Like the Tornado Cash and the whatever other stuff that mixes up the tokens where they can't trace the wallet address to see where the money's going, but yet the network actually, the network basically confirm. It's kind of like Zcash shielded transactions, guys, but it's kind of like it's even. I think they take it a step further. So we'll give you just a little brief news update. So the Samurai Wallet's co-founders and founder were arrested today. We're not going to go deep into it, but we bring up these topics, guys, simply because when we look here on the channel and we hear the news talk about this, and then we start seeing stuff like privacy coins going up, and that's not what's happening right now. I'm just giving you an example. This is why we bring up timing most of the time. And what the fuck am I doing? I'm on Wormhole token. Let's get off this site. And yeah, what we're looking at, Vertcoin. My thoughts on Vertcoin are kind of very mediocre in terms of like I guess my ability to want to go into this coin, I see it up a lot. I see it, obviously it's done very well in 2017. I remember it there. I remember it back here. It's probably going to go to all-time highs, guys, honestly. And this is the crazy shit about crypto is like these are actually the 100. I'm not throwing it out there as it's for sure going to be a 100x coin. I'm just saying these are the type coins. These are like the feather coins or the Blake coins or the Rise coins that go up 100x, and it's crazy. Like I feel like maybe I should buy some of these coins. And we might buy some on the channel, guys, just to kind of joke around and see how we do on them. I could always go to my non-existent portfolio and swap them and then send them to another wallet and see how they do. That'd be a funny thing to see. I don't know if you guys caught that, but I think that'd be pretty funny to see. But yeah, I mean, actually, guys, like Vertcoin might do well, who knows? Because when we look at the log graph, guys, it's like a lot of these coins aren't doing as bad as people think. We just need to start looking at them from a different perspective rather than just, oh, we got to get this coin because it's going up. We got to buy this coin right now because it's going up. It's a terrible way to do it. We should be looking at these coins while they're down. And that's what we're going to be doing here, guys. Probably starting, like I said, I got to go get my fucking, I got to go register my car. I got to go, update the tag or whatever it's due. It's technically due last week, but, what's another fee? What's another fee, guys, when the fees rise, So I'm going to go get my tag here, but I'm still going to be opening up this portfolio, guys, is maybe as soon as the weekend, like the weekend or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I haven't forgot about it. I know we talked about it a lot yesterday on the channel, but that is going to be something that's kind of going on the channel. So what's Pong saying? XMR should have a max supply number. I don't know the maximum supply on Monero, actually. Is there a max supply, guys? I don't know the fundamental dynamics of how Monero works exactly, guys. I've always been a fan of it, but I've never really done a deep dive into Monero. So Smooth Operator, I keep telling you we're going to be doing these deep dives into some coins. So, also over the weekend, guys, we're going to be back to making more videos. So regular, like actually videos other than me just standing in front of the camera. Staring at my phone, if you know what I mean. So maybe we'll do a deep dive into Monero, guys, because I still, even to this day, being a crypto enthusiast, don't know enough about Monero. But it says unlimited, infinity. So how does Monero work, guys? Have we got any Monero experts in the house? Let us know what you guys think about Monero. We got a lot of people that there's no set amount of Monero, is what it's saying. So it's based on Monero has a fixed emission rate. Around May 2022, Monero's emissions will drop and to permanently remain at 0.3 Monero per minute, 0.6 XMR token per block. This is approximately 1% inflation for the first year and will approach 0% inflation in future years. So, we're going to have to do a deep dive into Monero. I think that says a lot. You can tell that we're not really confident there, so I'm not gonna pretend like we are, guys. But we're gonna be doing deep dive into different coins, guys. I told you that portfolio is something I'm gonna be building, and guys, I figured out something pretty funny. I think I'm gonna do something pretty funny for you guys on the channel. Rather than, you remember I was telling you guys we're gonna go into smaller coins and bigger coins, like much smaller coins, like little like. I don't know what coins you would, I mean, maybe even coins like Vertcoin, and we'll be just, doing our thing here, and that'll be bad fucking ass. You want to know why it'll be badass? Because look how fucking small I am, guys. Oh, guys, how you doing? What's good in the hood on cryptocurrency theory, guys, where I'm a little micro dot. Because these micro dot coins, guys, might actually, blow up. And I think that'll be pretty badass if we start getting some coins that do like 100x or 200x, and we're just like, holy fuck, see? I told you guys. I told you right now. So my point is, guys, I might do this funny ass thing where I like go from Bitcoin Cash on my wallet to swap these coins and then open up the portfolio from there, guys. That way I'd be supporting Bitcoin Cash every step of the way. You know, I pay a fee. So what? So what, guys? Paying a fucking fee. You know why? So what? So I can be bigger and better, guys. Here we are. Oh, God. He's doing it again. Oh God. He's doing it again. Bigger and better. Yay. Yay for Monero. Bigger and better. So, we'll try to do something here, guys. I don't want you to lose too many brain cells here on the channel. You guys have to have a productive day. And, you know, we know you guys come down here and probably walk out a bit dumber than you did when you came in, which we all do, guys. It's part of the channel. Try to dumb ourselves down, guys, so we don't get faked out of our positions. But, yeah, I mean, prices, guys, not too bad. Not too great, not too good, but definitely not too bad. And, you know, we're just kind of going through some of these coins, seeing how they're doing. It looks like we might be in for a leap soon. You know, I keep talking about this doubling effect, guys, and I still think that. I want you guys to know that the next doubling jump, guys, in the next few months, we'll just put it at like maybe 2 or 3 months, not 2 or 3 months out, a period of time of 2 or 3 months, 2 or 3 months, and that period of time, you know, this all is going to look a lot different. So just hang in there and don't get too fixated on the short-term price movements. Like I said, guys, it's taken me fucking over a year to come to the realization that it's time to buy tokens. It's time to buy coins. It's time to buy Zcash. It's time to buy Dash. It's time to buy Neo. And like I said, guys, I'm going from Bitcoin Cash to do it because I can't get these tokens a lot of places. They're not on a lot of exchanges. So, you know, I got to go from one coin to the next. So I'm going to be swapping my Bitcoin Cash, guys, for some new altcoins. Because I feel like you can't lose right now with altcoins. I mean, I feel like if I go into the good ones, I'm better than if I just go into Bitcoin Cash. And then if I hold Bitcoin Cash that I already have, then I don't have to touch that Bitcoin Cash anymore, guys. I just keep buying more Bitcoin Cash and I keep trading Bitcoin Cash for other coins. What more could the crypto community want from me? Damn it. What would they fucking want past that? I don't know. I guess they'd want me to move to Korea and do the same thing with Bitcoin SV, guys, but that's not much of a realistic reality, right? So let's see what you're saying. Mr. McMahon? Fuck, man. I'm glad you could get away from your multi-billion-dollar company to come down to the chat. We got Vince McMahon, guys, in the house, holding massive amounts. Guys, could you ever imagine fucking Vince McMahon being in our chat? And on top of it, Vince McMahon being in the chat, part of the biggest, probably one of the biggest entertainment conglomerates in the world. I mean, a publicly traded company doing very well, worth billions of dollars, if you guys didn't know how much the wrestling industry is worth. But coming into our chat and having a discussion on the OG coins that Vince McMahon owns, guys. What kind of fucking chat does this? I'll tell you guys, cryptocurrency theory. Boom. We're back. We're back, guys. We're back. So, yeah, guys, Vince McMahon is owning like a lot of these altcoins. Have you not noticed? Somebody's got to prop this fucking thing up and provide liquidity. Oh, man. We got to find something better to talk about here, guys, on this channel. We got to. Let's see, guys. So let's just put, I guess, some stuff out there for us looking into the weekend, I guess, because we're kind of falling under 2.4 trillion. And, you know, I don't know where that's going to really put us much in the next couple days unless we go up. But let's take a peek at volumes, and then let's just put some stuff on the docket for the weekend. You know, let's put some stuff to watch on the docket for the weekend as we go into the weekend and find out where these coins are going. Because like I said, guys, we do have tokens like Bonk up 100%, Pepe up 50%, Floki Inu up 40%, Dog with Hat in 30%. And I think, guys, personally, I'm just going to throw this out there. Akash, hold on. Okay, this was the one I think Travis said. Sorry. So I'm just going to throw this, guys, out there. We were talking about this being the case with these meme coins, but I think personally, guys, the reason these meme tokens are going up is because the bag holders were very, very, very anxious to sell as the market was treading down just last week. So maybe over a week ago now, because they're obviously up for that week. But it's been a substantial jump that was very aggressively taking place, right? Very fast. These meme tokens jump back up. So just throwing that out there, guys. Don't read too much into it. I'm just saying here, if you look at the timeline on the upside jump, it was very, very abrupt, right? It was like the market was crashing. These tokens were falling the most. And then boom, look at that rebound. Almost guaranteed in your face type deal. So the market is hard to read, guys. And I would say I'm still going to hold true to my Neanderthal ways of thinking here on the channel. And that is most people still to this day have lost on Bonk. There are people gaining. I'm not telling, I don't want to misguide you here. There are people gaining mad gains on these tokens, on Pepe, on Bonk, on all of them. But I would say for the average person, right? The person that is like just in this stuff as a holder, a hodler, I would say still the majority of those people have not seen gains and or lost. Okay, I'm still going to stand true to that statement. Even though the graph doesn't lie, sometimes it does. Sometimes it does, guys. So just try to understand that concept. I'm not saying there aren't multimillionaires, people profiting on this stuff. I'm just saying most do not. Okay, they do not. So that's kind of how it is with most of the crypto market, though, I feel like. So it's not really, that's not really a fair statement, I guess, just to say about meme coins, but we'll say it anyways because it does make a bit of sense, right? It does make a bit of sense. Monero is still above 120, guys. And if we're looking at a timeline on Monero, guys, let's focus in on Monero before we wrap up the chat. We'll drop into comments and we'll get going here for the remainder of our day. So the thing with Monero, guys, is if we go back to when Binance delisted Monero, that has been where Monero has, for some reason in my eyes, became less of a pronounced gainer than not. Okay, like for the longest time, Monero was going up relative to the rest of the altcoin market. Okay, whatever altcoin. I'm not giving you a specific one, guys. Focus on this. Monero was outperforming a lot of the market a lot of the time in terms of altcoins until this Binance delisting. After that happened, Monero has been kind of stuck. But Monero has not crashed, nor has Monero faltered past, I don't know, $118 per token. I don't think we've gone under that. So it does show some resiliency, guys, in the delisting process, even if it's as big of a exchange like Binance. Like, we lost, 20-30%. But we gained it back, right? We gained it back. So let's see what you guys are saying, guys, and we'll wrap it up. Yeah, it's okay. You can buy cryptos, Vince McMahon. We know that's how you've corrected your balance sheet. We know that is where the majority of WWE has stored their money, is in altcoins. It would be the greatest summer for crypto or the worst. Yeah, because here's the thing. Mr. Fool's got a great point. Because if BTC goes down, now we got another problem. Altcoins are going to plummet. Like if Bitcoin goes down to 40K or anywhere in the 40s, we can say bye-bye to any gains. And basically we're going to be sitting at fucking $150 Bitcoin Cash or less, right? Or maybe even less, maybe even $100. We're going to be sitting at $30 like Litecoin. But do you see how I don't see that happening, guys? I really don't. I mean, if it does, it does. But if it doesn't, that's probably going to be what happens. It's probably not. I don't see that happening. So, Alan, what's good? What's good, my guy? Guys, Alan has came into the chat to wrap up the chat from another successful approach to alternative crypto stuff in the crypto world. So, Alan, great to have you in the chat and great for you to wrap up the chat and close it down. We appreciate everybody coming by. And yeah, let's just see kind of what happens into the weekend, guys, on these prices. The last I would say 2 weekends have been pretty exciting. All right, guys, we'll talk soon. Take care.